Good evening. Hello, JG community. Nice to meet you. I am very grateful and happy to present at this event, JG APAC Connect, Staying Connected. My name is Jeongjun Kim, and I am a Google Certified Innovator and Certified Trainer. I am also a captain of JG South Korea and Inspire Captain of JG Seoul. And this presentation has another presenter, Josh Lee, and Josh is the CEO and founder of SWIT. In this presentation, we are going to introduce the very powerful tool, SWIT, that is a team collaboration platform that combines team chat and task management in one place. At first, Josh will give you a wonderful presentation, and then I will introduce the benefits that Google certified trainers and GAG community members can receive. And please welcome Josh. Hello, Josh.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. I'm Josh at SWIT.
Yep. First of all, thank you for taking the time, even this is a Sunday evening.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you so much. I'm really glad to share our experience to great innovators.
Okay, thank you. And thank you for accepting my request for free benefits for Google certified trainers and GAG community.
We are very honored to support education.
Okay, thank you very much. And from now on, I'll pass the baton to Josh. Please welcome Josh Lee.
Hi. My name is Josh at SWIT Technologies. We work in the Bay Area and San Francisco, and I'm currently traveling in South Korea to visit our R&D center located in Seoul, Korea. Yeah, I hope you stay very healthy and safe. I'd like to introduce what our team is doing for now to help you be better able to fight against COVID-19 for distant learning for your schools, instructors, school staff, and of course, students. Now, SWIT provides enterprises and organizations like schools with a team collaboration platform that seamlessly combines team chat with task management in one convenient place. It was so frustrating to go back and forth between chat and tasks, losing context and getting lost in various tabs from various apps. You know what I'm talking about. So we brought everything we need to get things done together in one convenient place so you can turn your conversation into shareable, trackable tasks and share your tasks to your chat channel members simply by a drag and drop. So we could finally streamline different workflows from chat to tasks for your distant learning, maintaining context and data. Yeah, this is what I do. And this is our logo, how it looks like, sweetheart, to people communications and task management in one places. And actually, people in schools and education fields started to adopt many other team collaboration tools out there for their distant learning, but there are two complexity there, right? And for the last three sections have been long dominated by enterprise platforms like Google Workspace, of course, and Office 365. And this market is hugely saturated with great incumbents. Yeah, so there is no option but to integrating them all in to cover all their workflows. So overlap features and the other like digital multiple environment could reduce their productivity by increasing communication overhead separated apps to apps. So we wanted to innovate the way we learn in schools, organizations. So Messenger is easy, but it's too easy to manage the real hard work for schools and enterprises. So integrating with task management is inevitable, but switching back and forth between those two apps is really bad for productivity. So 40% decreased productivity, and in average, it takes 23 minutes to refocus your work. So we wanted to build one single platform for remote work or distant learning. So we built every single feature required to be a good distant learning platform in one platform. So team chat and digital post-it like Kanban and Gantt chart for visual management for your school assignments, and task management with notification management. And we wanted to rebuild the productivity for teams in distant learning environment. Let's say if we get more tasks with higher difficulty levels done in relatively short time and less messages for communication, we call it more productive for team collaboration in school. And these the biggest 6 reasons why people switch to SWIT from their multiple tools. So hair on fire stuff everywhere, but SWIT provides all-in-one command center for their distant learning and cost effectivity and advanced integrated search experience. And it's really easy and intuitive and multitasking in one platform. Yeah, and seamless workflows. So I'd like to give you some detailed demo after this keynote. So let me pass all the images fast. And I heard you guys are very familiar with Google Apps in the Google Workspace. So we position SWIT as the missing half of Google Workspace to facilitate the Google Workspace apps like Gmail, Google Drive. So I really believe if you guys are working for Google Workspace for your distant learning, and all you have to do is adopt SWIT together with Google Workspace, because look at this chart, and chat and tasks are the most frequently used workflows on a daily basis. And all the other team collaboration functions out there, like file storage, email, or video conference calls, they are working in a more event-driven activities. But for task and chat, you need to be signed in all the time from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., right? So by removing the biggest daily distractions, and we could increase the productivity for your distant learning. So ensuring everyone is on the same page. You don't have to search app by app, task by task, channel by channel, or project by project any longer. So we are very competitive. If you are using Slack and Trello together with Google Workspace, we could replace Slack and Trello with better usability and better security and better performance. So many organizations in the Bay Area and San Francisco and globally, and more than 200,000 organizations are using SWIT for their daily basis. And we are nominated as the winner in the Startup Grind Global Conference 2020, which is the world's biggest startup community in the Bay Area. And we are nominated this summer as one of the best remote work tools. And also, I believe chat and tasks are not only just the functions, but also the hub to integrate the other third-party apps. So we provide no-code third-party apps in both integration marketplace named SWIT Store with better interactivity. I know before SWIT, all we could do with those previous integrations is to receive text-based notifications into selected channels. And that kind of working environment is to double the number of notifications and distractions, of course, without getting anything done. So I truly believe you don't have to sacrifice interactivity in the name of integrations. So we provide schools and organizations with a powerful hub environment with better interactivity between integrated apps. Yeah. We could meet all your complicated data privacy compliances. So enterprise-grade satisfactions will be given to you and your school environment. So this is the last page. I'd like to summarize what we are doing for now. We position SWIT as the last mover when we target small-sized organizations. However, when we target schools and large organizations, we are the first mover creating our own software category named Teams Collaborations, which means we could provide large organizations, including higher educations and many schools, with team-to-team communication or multiple team collaboration, or super admin management beyond a single workspace. So let me show you our product now. Yeah. So if you have a single account, you could create as many workspaces as you want. And this kind of architecture provides better scalability. So what if you have to create one more account if you want to create one more workspace? Yeah, it's not good for scalability. So if you want to communicate and collaborate with other organizations, working for other schools, working for other classes, this architecture is really helpful. So, and my workspaces displays 9 workspaces that I'm currently belonging to, and we've just created a workspace for GZ for demo. So if you go to the workspace, and you could see 3 different boxes, and channel box for communication, and project box for task management, and mailbox for Gmail integration. So you could do for a fast response for emoji with emojis and files for comments, and you could everything that is available in Slack here. So this is an app bar that allows you to switch over multiple projects and every single channel, however, how many channels you have. So if you click the activity notification, it could make you directly jump to that task card in a specific project, even though you were currently in the students chat channel. So it's really streamlines different workflows. So it cuts at least 4 to 7 clicks before SWIT. So if you go to the mention, and it'll let you directly jump to that channel at the comment, and start item lets you directly jump to that task card. Yeah, that's one of your students are assigned, and file managements. And actually, we provide very advanced integrated search experience. So this search result will get you directly to the task card in a project, just like this. And the project card displays all the metadata, including status, urgency, priority, and period start date and end date, and assignee collaborators, and searchable text and color label, and many other apps integrations here, and checklist, and related tasks, and it will let you directly jump to the related task to track issues. And let me go to the task management side. And if you click one project, we have 5 different view layouts you could choose according to the purpose. So status view displays all the tasks according to its status, from to do to doing and done. and bucket view with detailed segmentations, and team view displays who are assigned with what kind of tasks, and timeline for Gantt chart for each task management and workload, like this way, and calendar. So let me show you one by one in more details. So if you go to the status view, you could see all the task cards created by this project assignees. And if you move the task card from to do to doing, just like this, just like the post-its, and the status of the task card was changed from to do to doing. Look at this, right? So, and you could change its status this way. It's really easy. And you could change its view like from Gantt chart to list view this way. And if you want to locate and find what you're looking for faster, and you could use these filters. And if you want to look at only doing status task cards, please use these filters like this. And if you'd like to look at the task cards created by you or assigned by you, you could use this. Yeah. And team view. And if you'd like to change its assignee from Josh to Gina, all you have to do is just drag and drop. And its assignee has been changed right away. And you could change its assignee this way too. And click it, and you could change it here. And Gantt chart is one of my favorites to manage all the assignments for my students or instructors. And if you want to change the status and its edit, please click it, and it gives the preview of the task cards. And if there's anything you want to edit, and click one more time and change it is end date, like here. And you could check this end date has been changed. And you could drag and drop to change its status, or move the duration, or change its starting date. And if you want to look at this way, another way, you could change this. And to get each other's workload, and you could click here. And if you want to help Allegra focus more on this task card, and you could change this end date and moving the group 1 project's task card start date this way, so that Allegra could focus more on this task card by the due date. Yeah. And if you want to move one of your task cards with full context and data to your chat channel members, before SWIT, you need to open 2 different browsers, one for team chat and the other for task management. But all you could do with SWIT is this. Open the right panel and select the channels you want to share, and just drag and drop. That's all. And every single member in this channel can get access to this task card this way, right? And you could connect a specific project to a specific channel here. So I'd like to connect a microeconomics one with this project, and if click it, and it'll pop up on your right, and while you are managing your tasks on the left side. And if any one of your task card has been changed, and this update will be notified to your members. So if you are in the microeconomics channels, this way, you don't have to leave your chat channels to check the updates of your task cards. Just click it, and the link will directly make you jump to that task card. Yeah. And I'd like to show you some more integrations with Google Workspace. And you could open Google Workspace, Gmail inbox here. And if you want to connect external communication piled up in your Google Gmail inbox to your chat channels, or you'd like to turn it to trackable tasks for internal collaboration, all you have to do is just open the right panel and select the channel you want to share. And just drag and drop it. And you could mention someone else. Allegra, please check and confirm. And Gmail integration has been shared to your chat channel members in these students' channels. And the students can get access to this Gmail. Amazing, right? And if you open the task project, you could turn the Gmail inbox into trackable, shareable task, and new task has been created. And will you go to task details? Yes, confirm. And look at this, and the title of the task card has been copied from the title of the Gmail inbox. And you could see the full context here. And you could assign to your students or instructors or school staff. So I'd like to change the status from oops, to do to doing, and urgency priority highest, and start date from now to Wednesday. Assignees Danny. I'm sorry, Danny. And collaborators will be notified with any updates of these task cards. Allegra. And task. Please get this done ASAP. I'm so sorry. Yeah. And those three people have been notified with the tasks, and they don't have to wonder, oh, yeah, what is going on? Because they can get access to the full context. Oh, Josh received this kind of email that requires us to urgently follow up to get things done together, right? Yeah. And one more thing, if you are using Google Drive, this is one of my favorite features as well. Yeah. And you could integrate your Google Gmail and advanced search works. Search. Yeah. And I'd like to share SWIT a BDS in team collaboration. If you want to share your Google Drive file to your chat channel members, just drag and drop it, and you could mention someone else, or you don't have to do anything. Right. So accessible link has been shared from Google Drive to SWIT channel. And of course, you could attach one of your Google Drive files to your task cards here. So yeah, plus button, and using the Google Drive integration here. And I'd like to website renewal in progress and select. Yeah. And you could check a website renewal in progress Google Drive file has been shared here, right? So yeah, I think I'm done for the demo. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer all the questions you might have.
Yep. Thank you, Josh. And I sent you some questions to your mobile phone.
Yeah.
So there is two questions until now, and Mr. Yang asked that, like this, I understand that you can integrate Facebook Messenger into SWIT. How do you do that?
Yeah, thank you for the question. Not for now. Actually, we have only 7 apps integrations available in the SWIT store, but we've recently developed no-code bucket SWIT components that allow us to integrate so many apps in no time actually. So more than 1,000 apps and booths will be integrated by the end of the next year. So Google Workspace apps, actually I'd like to mention the roadmap for Google Workspace integrations together with this question. We are currently providing Google Drive and Gmail and Google Single Sign-On integration are available for now. And by the end of this year, through 6 different plugins will be available in the Google Workspace Marketplace. And and Google Meet and Google Calendar and Google Docs, 3 different integrations in SWIT platform will be available by the first quarter of the next year. So Facebook Messenger, in case for the Facebook Messenger, if you are willing to use Zapier, is one of the greatest automation tools out there, and you could connect Facebook Messenger. Actually, let me show you. Yeah, I'm using Zapier here. So, and you could see 5 different automations for 5 different integrations. So I currently using the Facebook page integrations. So if I have any updates from my page for SWIT technologies, and it will be directly shared to the SWIT ideation features. So this way, you could control, configure, integrate, automate more than 2,200 apps using public APIs, including Facebook Messenger. The other question, can you drag and drop items and tasks into multiple groups simultaneously, or must this done one by one? Good questions. If you'd like to share one of your messages to other channels and tasks, actually, yes and no. Let me show you one project. We provide a very competitive environment for sharing your tasks and chat channels. You might be very familiar with share message features in Slack or any other chat platforms. So look at this, share messages, and you could share multiple channels, multiple people at a time. So this is very competitive. But if you wanna share your chat to your task, please use these features. Click More button and convert to task or add to task. So add to task, select the project you wanna share, and SAT checklist template task, and add to text button. So move to the task, and look at this. I've just shared these messages from a specific channel to this task card. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. The question is written in Korean. I'd like to translate for foreign members. He's wondering if department setting is available in the SWIT plan. Yeah, but unfortunately, SWIT standard plan is not providing at the moment for the department setup features. But from the SWIT advanced plan, yeah, you could do that. Yeah, can you make an organization map chart? Yes, yeah, it's available in the SWIT advanced plan only for now. You're very welcome. You're very welcome, George. Now, hundreds of organizations in schools scenes in the US and globally, more than 160 countries, they are very happily using SWIT for their distance learning.
Okay, thank you. And I think this is best time to interrupt now and to talk about the benefits uh, which SWIT gives to Google certified trainers. So and I introduce that, and then wait. Please wait, Josh. And after that, we will have another question and answer session again. So, okay, got it. So now I'm really, really happy to introduce this trainer benefit and perk. So Sweet is happily agreed to give us a benefit that 5,000 credit, which can be used for a year. So it can be used to buy 50% if you select yearly plan, or if 40% for monthly plan. So before getting any benefit, you must sign up at the landing page. That page will be provided next week, and you must provide a link to your good review at G2 review site. This is very important, and you must make a review before you get the benefit. And the same benefit, it's not the same, but the credit is different. The 3,000 credit, which can be used for a year, will be given to any GG community members. So the environment is the same. You have to sign up at the landing page, which will be provided next week. And the procedure is like this. You must set up the workspace and go to the SWIT workspace settings and click the billing. Then after that, you have to click the upgrade tier button. Then if you after that you have to click upgrade tier button again. So there's a two upgrade tier button. After that, if you have given a coupon, then the coupon will be show up here. For example, 5K for GG trainers, or 3K for GG communities. So the cost is calculated according to the number of users. So as I said, if you are a trainer, I think selecting yearly plan is good. Anyway, the credit will be given per year, and after a year, the credit is gone. So after that, if you click next, just click next and next, then you don't have to enter your credit card information. So already credit is given, so there should be no requirement for entering credit card information. So if you see any kind of the inquiry for credit card information, then you should contact the support team. So I think the Danny, who can speak English and Korean, he will be your first person meet. So after applying is complete, then you can use this fantastic suite for a year for free. So you must remember that the coupon is for single use only. So as I tried before, so I wanted to change my benefit into I first clicked the monthly plan and I wanted to change it into yearly plan, but after that I saw that I could not find any coupon, so I asked Danny to give me the coupon again. So please do not cancel the plan because that you just want to change the plan or in any other reason. So you have to be very careful before applying the coupon. So applying page and the landing page's URL will be announced through GG communities and will be announced at GG Trainer Certified group. So URL, I said it before. So just please wait, and if you have a time, just please write a review. So you can make a standard plan before you get any coupons. So just click to G2 review site. So g2.com product SWIT reviews. So go to SWIT and download the program first, or just sign up through website and use a SWIT. And if you are satisfied, write a good review at G2 site. So that's all you to do to get the 1-year free plan. Okay. So now I want to summon Josh again. So, and if you have any question, just please let us know. Yep.
Hi, thank you all. And we are truly longing to help many organizations and schools to be better able to fight against COVID-19. I have 3 kids, 2 daughters, 1 son, and they are having very hard time to further learn. So yeah, I truly want to help my kids and students and other school instructors, yeah, to help each other. So if you have any questions.
Yeah. So please regard that there is a 1 minute pause between the live session and what we are talking now. So there is 1 minute or 30 seconds to 1 minute time between the real live session. So just please regard that. Yep. So guys, please do any question if you have. So it's kind of cliche in Korea, but whenever there is no question, then the presentation was fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you for your silence.
Yeah.
Oh, so sweet. Thank you, Myung-hee.
Yeah. So Miss Yun said, yeah, sweet is so sweet. Yeah. Good.
Yeah. A full suite to work suite. That's good.
Okay. I see the one question at the YouTube session. So it will be up here very soon. Then, yep. So, okay, I see George Kamenos is writing a question here, and it will be up very soon. Okay. So here's the question.
Yeah, a good question. Let me read it for every single member. What features of Suite do you think sets us apart from Microsoft Teams or G Suite? Yeah, as I told you before during the keynote, I'd like to mention one more time. We don't compete with enterprise platforms like Google Workspace or Microsoft Office 365. Instead, we position Suite as the facilitating tool for them. So you could integrate documentation, Gmail, and Drive and Calendar, those kind of features scattered in their enterprise platforms into Suite. So actually, Google Chat is more similar to instant messaging, not like Slack. But the chat feature provided in Suite is more like Slack. We call it Team Chat. So some organizations using already Microsoft, if they adopt Suite for their team collaboration, they separated the usage to find the best practice for each other. Like they are currently using their MS Teams features for their vertical department communication using Skype together. And if they want to use task-centric collaboration, they use Suite for their chat features. Yeah, thanks for the Suite offers. Can you tell us what made you start a venture in the area of messengers? Any inspiration or motivation? Thanks. Yeah, our chat function could belong to the work stream collaboration category, like chat, together with Slack or Microsoft Teams. And our task function could be categorized in collaborative work management. But actually, more than around 92% of all organizations globally, they adopt two different um, collaboration apps, chat and tasks. So I used to be a very heavy user of Slack integrating multiple apps in it, but um, yeah, switching over apps just to stay on track is not productive for my teams. And that's why how we started building the communication tool, and we could see a time-sensitive opportunity to fill in innovation vacuum period for team collaboration, because all the existing team collaboration tools were designed and built only for small-sized single teams, which means they don't provide multiple teams collaboration beyond a single workspace, as I told you. If you are currently belonging to a specific workspace in Slack or any other messenger app, you don't know what's going on in the other workspaces you belong to, which means if someone in your organization sends you a very important message with specific notification, and there's no way to check those things if you are in the single workspace. And if you see some unread notifications in the other workspaces, and you go and you check that notification does not have any importance level, like, hey Josh, what do you want to eat for the lunch, even though we are in the evening time? So I'd like to remove those kind of notifications, bad experience. So there are a lot of things we could innovate in the current team collaboration industry, I believe.
Okay. I think we're almost done now. Yeah, thank you for sharing your time, and thank you for your wonderful presentation.
Thank you, Jonathan, and thank you, everyone.
Yeah, then thank you. And I thank you again for your good decision to every GG community members and GG Google certified trainers. I thank you again.
Yeah, if you have any questions, please contact us with help@swit.io email.
Help@swit.io. Okay. So this could be the last thank you message. Thank you, Mr. Yang. Okay. Okay, thank you for everyone, and thank you for the meeting. And I say goodbye to every GG members who will see this video by recording for later. And I just thank you for everyone. Yep, thank you again, and we will see you again in very good place at any time. Okay, thank you. I'll end the broadcast. Thank you again, everyone. Yep, 감사합니다. 모두 안녕히 계세요.